A lot of people know Clenergy for its racking, which we've been around since 2007, born and raised here in Australia. We also have amazing cable trays, which have a unique coating, and they're very good in the market. And we're also doing batteries, whether it be portable or residential.
The company started off with inverters, surprisingly. So they started to engage with the market and they realized that there is a gap in the market for mounting systems. Everybody was screaming out for a good mounting system solution.
And today we are the #1 brand here in Australia and soon to be over the globe. It's the right time for us to get back into inverters.
We're back to our core. So we wanted to do all Clenergy in Clenergy.
Why we put the solar on our roof. One of the primary reasons, as a manufacturing industry, we have to be an example. We want to showcase our products, sure. We want to showcase that we are part of this industry, sure. But we have to set the example. Most of our manufacturing facilities, which are overseas, have had solar on those roofs for multiple years already. We are completely carbon neutral with Xiamen factories and offices there, with the amount of solar on that roof and on the ground with trackers and ground mount. And we just want to slowly but surely, with every office that Clenergy has within our network, improve our ESG scores to make sure we're doing the right thing for the environment, doing the right thing by the community that we're part of.
A few of our staff has EVs. So they're charging here at the office. We offer free charging. Therefore, it is a no-brainer to generate your own electricity if you can. You need to do the right thing as a company, and also in the Australian environment, a solar PV system is a good investment.
It just goes to show what you can do with your own office, right? It will pay itself in 3-4 years, and then you've got something generating in your office, right? It's also clean, renewable energy, so why not, right? I would say the incentive on it is not just the economical part, but also the part that you are producing your own energy without contaminating, without pollution, without emissions. It is very, very good to have a solar system at your own company when you work in renewables.
So I like the industry because even if you have, let's say you don't have a good day, just the fact that you know that you have a couple of installers to install a few more panels, that's already enough to call it a good day.